Welcome to USA Smart Shop. If you are looking for the best apple peeler corer to make preparing apples faster and easier, you are in the right place. In this video, we will cover the top 5 best apple peeler corers available today. These tools are selected based on ease of use, durability, versatility, and overall value. Let's get started. We have included links in the description. Number 1. Electric Fruit Peeler automatically peels apples, comes with a slicer and corer, quickly makes applesauce pie in your home kitchen. This electric fruit peeler is designed to eliminate manual effort while delivering fast, consistent results in the kitchen. It automatically peels apples with smooth precision, removing the skin evenly without wasting fruit. The motorized system maintains steady pressure, which prevents gouging and uneven peeling. The included slicer and corer attachment allows you to prepare apples in one continuous workflow. After peeling, apples can be quickly cored and sliced, making this tool ideal for applesauce, pies, fruit salads, and baking prep. The process significantly reduces preparation time compared to traditional hand tools. Its operation is simple and user-friendly, requiring minimal setup. Once the apple is secured, the peeler rotates automatically, handling the peeling process without constant supervision. This makes it suitable for seniors, busy home cooks, or anyone with limited hand strength. The design focuses on safety, keeping hands away from sharp blades during operation. The stable base helps keep the unit in place while peeling, ensuring consistent results and reducing mess. This peeler is especially useful for batch cooking, meal prep, and family kitchens where multiple apples need to be prepared quickly. It offers speed, convenience, and consistency that manual peelers cannot match. Number 2. Apple Peeler Corer, long-lasting chrome-cast magnesium alloy apple peeler slicer corer with stainless steel blades and powerful suction base for apples and potatoes, red. This apple peeler corer is engineered for long-term reliability and consistent performance in everyday kitchen use. The body is made from chrome-cast magnesium alloy, which gives the tool a solid, balanced feel while resisting bending, warping, or loosening over time. This construction allows the peeler to maintain proper alignment even after repeated use. The stainless steel blade system is designed to peel, slice, and core apples in one continuous motion. The peeling blade removes the skin thinly and evenly, reducing waste and preserving more usable fruit. The slicing blade produces uniform spiral cuts, which are ideal for baking, dehydrating, or fresh snacks. A powerful suction base anchors the unit firmly to smooth countertops, preventing slipping during operation. This stability is especially helpful when working with larger apples or firmer produce like potatoes. Once secured, the peeler operates smoothly without vibration or interruption. The manual hand crank design gives users full control over speed and pressure. This makes it suitable for a wide range of fruit sizes and textures. It requires no electricity, making it dependable in any kitchen environment. This peeler is well suited for frequent home use, meal prep, and baking projects where consistency, durability, and control are important. Number 3. Apple Peeler Slicer Corer Potato Peelers 3-in-1, stainless steel heavy-duty suction cup base and 7 extra blades, red. This heavy-duty 3-in-1 apple peeler is designed to simplify food preparation while delivering consistent, professional quality results. It performs peeling, slicing, and coring at the same time, allowing users to process apples efficiently with minimal effort. The stainless steel blades are precision-aligned to maintain sharpness and accuracy. Each blade is positioned to work in sequence, ensuring the apple is evenly peeled, cleanly cored, and uniformly sliced without crushing the fruit. This level of consistency is especially useful for baking and presentation. The suction cup base provides a strong grip on smooth surfaces, keeping the peeler securely in place during use. This prevents movement and ensures smooth rotation throughout the entire peeling process. Stability remains consistent even when processing multiple apples consecutively. Included extra replacement blades extend the usable lifespan of the product, ensuring long-term performance without the need for frequent replacements. This makes the peeler a practical option for users who regularly prepare apples. Its mechanical design eliminates reliance on electricity, making it easy to maintain and simple to operate. This peeler is ideal for home kitchens, baking enthusiasts, and anyone who values efficiency with hands-on control. Number 4. Apple peeler for applesauce and pie, 8-wedge apple slicer corer with stainless steel blades, upgraded strong suction base, includes 2 replacement blades. This apple peeler is designed for home cooks who regularly prepare apples for cooking, baking, and food preservation. It focuses on speed, consistency, and accuracy, making it especially useful for applesauce, pies, crisps, cobblers, and other apple-based recipes where uniform cuts matter. The integrated 8-wedge slicer and corer divides each apple into evenly sized sections in a single motion. These wedges are ideal for baking because they cook at the same rate, helping prevent uneven texture or undercooked centers. For applesauce, the consistent size allows apples to soften evenly, improving final texture and flavor. The peeling mechanism removes the apple skin smoothly without tearing the flesh. The blade is designed to peel thinly, which reduces waste while still removing the entire peel. This is especially helpful when processing large batches of apples, where efficiency and yield matter. Stainless steel blades provide sharp, reliable cutting performance and are resistant to rust and dulling over time. Each blade maintains alignment during operation, ensuring clean cuts without crushing or splitting the apple. This precision improves both appearance and cooking results. The upgraded suction base plays a major role in stability. Once pressed onto a smooth countertop, the peeler stays firmly in place during slicing and coring. This stability allows the user to apply steady pressure without worrying about slipping, tipping, or uneven cuts. The design supports fast, repetitive use, making it well suited for batch cooking, holiday baking, and meal prep. Included replacement blades extend the lifespan of the peeler, ensuring consistent performance over long-term use. Cleaning is simple, with smooth surfaces that rinse easily after use. This apple peeler is a practical solution for anyone who frequently prepares apples and wants predictable results, reduced prep time, and improved efficiency in the kitchen. Number 5. Apple Peeler Corer, 5-in-1 Apple Peeler Slicer Corer with stainless steel blades and powerful suction base for apples and potatoes, teal. This 5-in-1 Apple Peeler Corer is built for versatility, combining multiple food preparation functions into a single compact tool. It peels, slices, cores, trims, and spiral cuts apples efficiently, reducing the need for separate kitchen tools. The stainless steel blades are designed for durability and precision, delivering smooth peeling and clean slicing while preserving the fruit's shape. The blade system handles apples of various sizes and can also be used for potatoes, increasing overall utility. A powerful suction base secures the unit firmly to the countertop, ensuring stable operation throughout the peeling process. This prevents slipping and allows consistent rotation with minimal effort from the user. The ergonomic crank handle is designed for comfort, allowing extended use without hand fatigue. The smooth turning motion helps maintain control and precision during operation. This multifunction peeler is ideal for home kitchens, baking prep, and daily cooking tasks where speed, reliability, and versatility are essential. That's our list of the top 5 best Apple Peeler Corers here on USA Smart Shop. Each option offers unique features depending on your kitchen needs and prep style. You'll find updated prices and purchase links in the description below. If this video helped you, please like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more product reviews.